Hello people, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shin. So today I'm just back with a quick rundown of how my install with the ISEE Kinky Curly Mongolian hair went. I had that hair in for at least a month. Guys, that hair is freaking phenomenal. The only reason why I took it out after a month was because where I live, it's freaking hot. It's summer. If you guys know, it is freaking summer, and a girl can't deal with having something sewed onto her head where she doesn't have access where her scalp can breathe. And I just hate feeling miserable in my own comfort zone, so I had to take it out. But apart from that, let me break the specs down. Having the hair in was so freaking magical. It's not even funny. Like, it did not tangle, and I was pretty much blown away and taken by that, because being that it was a curly hair, normally curly hair gets matted in the back. And guys, that hair was like a well-mannered child, like a well-mannered child who knows not to disrespect its parents. Like, seriously, that's how that hair was, not to disrespect its mama. And I find that I had to, well, I washed it once a week, but I do notice that the hair loves moisture, because after the third day it started to look a bit dry, which I would then re-wet it and use my organics what's it called, my curl cream, which is this. I would go in and use this. I did a video on my channel which I posted probably before this one, or I will link it in my description bar down below for you guys if you guys want to check that out, of how I washed and cared for that hair. But that hair was phenomenal. I will be putting it back in again, but I don't think I'll be doing a sew in. I think I'll be sewing it onto a U-part wig and just install it on my head instead of an official sewing, so at least I can take that wig off at least every week and then wash my own hair and then sew it back on. So it's not bad, instead of me spending 80 bucks at the hairdresser just to get a weave sewing on. And plus, that was my first sewing install in like 6 years. But guys, the hair is just amazing. With shedding, it did shed a bit, but it wasn't excessively, so that was a bonus point for me, because I hate seeing hair all over my room, on my floor. That just turns me off. But it did behave itself, and I do love it. I do love it, guys. It is so freaking amazing, and the price point was not bad. They have 3 vendors. I think you can get it from their official website, their Amazon website, and their AliExpress website. I did, however, got mine on the Amazon website, and it was rated as a 9A, which I think that's like the highest grade. I think, don't quote me, I think it's either a 9 or 10 is the highest, but the hair that I purchased was a 9A grade. But the hair was really freaking soft, minimal shedding, and it didn't tangle in the nape. It was just perfect, just freaking perfect. I'm so excited to go and do it again, install it again. But next time I won't be doing a center part. I will be doing my signature slant part, which is a side part, because it suits my face a lot more better, because my face is round like the moon, as you guys can see. But anyhow, guys, I love you. It's a short little mini update review of my 1 month install with that hair, and I do love the hair. I do freaking love it. So anyhow, guys, love you all, and I will see you in my next video. And if you guys are wondering about this wig, this video will be up on the channel, all about this wig, all about the jazz, all about sipping the tea. So yeah, so anyhow, love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.